Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Corey from Corey's Tech Time, and today we're looking at the JBL Tune 660 NCs. So I picked these up about a week ago. I was looking for a budget set of headphones just to have in the case that I need some. So I found these on the JBL web store, and they were $60 on sale. Regular price was like $100. So I thought that was a pretty good deal. So if you're interested, I believe the sale is still going on for, I think, 2 more days or so. So with that, let's go ahead and get into the video. So I picked these up again about a week ago, and so far, I must say I do like these headphones, especially for them to be a budget set of headphones. I feel that JBL got the important parts right with these headphones. So as far as specs, we have Bluetooth 5.0, we have 44 hours battery with ANC on, and you have 55 with ANC off. Also, they feature Google's Fast Pair, and that's pretty much it. So these aren't very feature rich as far as like having access to your assistant and things of that nature. Again, these are very basic headphones, and again, JBL just stuck to the basics and just got that right, at least to me. So yeah, looking at the headphones, we have the charging port type C, top right cup. There's nothing on the left cup. On the right cup, you have the volume rocker, and with the play pause button in the middle, you have a 3.5 or 2.5 headphone jack there. You have the noise cancellation button on off there, and then that's just the power button right there. So yeah, pretty basic. There's no way to talk to the assistant, at least I was able to find. I pressed every button, held every button, and there was no assistant that came up. So as far as build quality, these aren't the best quality build headphones, but again, these are budget, and I would say for a set of budget headphones, I think JBL did a pretty good job. There's no creaking, and the headphones itself seem very solid. When I was wearing them, they were pretty comfortable, but after some time there was a little bit of ear fatigue, and but that was pretty much it. But that was after me wearing them for at least an hour or two. So so not the most comfortable headphones, but they're fine to me. So just looking around the headphones, plastic all the way up, and then you have like a little bit of padding here, which feels okay. I wish there was a little bit of padding on the sides, but no big deal. You also have right, left here, and then there's also left right there if you can see it, and then there's also right there as well if you can see it. So they put those insignias in there a couple times for whatever reason. So as far as the sound quality with these, I would say that the sound quality is pretty good, and I would say that is really good for a budget set of headphones. The only issue that I have with these is that they're not very detailed. The sound is not rich, but you do get a decent amount of bass. So keep that in mind if you're looking at these as a budget headphones for yourself. And as far as like the mids and the highs, I think that's where it suffers the most. They're just not very detailed. They're not crisp. There's no rich tones. But again, the bass is there, and I think the bass alone is probably enough to get people through that can appreciate having bass in their music. So, but again, that's a personal preference, and that's just my experience with them. So things that I like, the ANC is pretty good. I ran a couple tests, nothing scientific, but I sat in front of a fan, I ran some water, and I did not hear anything. I think if there was any place where it struggled is with really loud noises. But other than that, they were pretty solid. And then I do like the way that they feel for the most part and the build of them. Again, you just can't wear these for too long. And then I like that it has Type-C. I like the battery life on these. And I like the look of it. It's like a matte black. And they do get some fingerprints on there, but it's not that bad at all. That's about a week's worth of me just touching it. And yeah, I mean, that's really it. And then I guess if I had to say something negative about it, is that it's just not feature rich at all. Again, there's no way to talk to the assistant. These things don't play and pause. When you take them off, they're just really basic headphones. But hey, if you're looking for a set of basic headphones on a budget, I think these will do it for you. So that's it for this one, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comment section below. I respond to every question or every comment. And with that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.